What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see. Don't mind me, man, you know what I'm saying, with my cruise control right now. But as y'all can see, we on the highway, man, so it's only right for me to get y'all boys a highway POV. You know what I'm saying? I rarely get to get y'all boys a real highway POV. As you can see, this is the real one, you know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. On the road to 20K, get your boy to 20K. Quick way, like I said last video, man, you know what I'm saying, Hellcat could be coming soon. If y'all boy get me the 18K, you feel me, before that boy give me the 18K before before December. By December. You know what I'm saying? We close, like we 17. If we like less than 400-500 away, and it's like, you know what I'm saying, getting close to December, but it ain't December yet. I'll wait till like the end of December then, but you got till December, you feel me? So y'all boy run these videos up. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tap in, you know what I'm saying? Y'all already know how I get. So you feel me? You know I'm gonna go crazy with the cat. You already go crazy with Big Liv. You know what I'm saying? By the way, we're listening to that new Gunner, man. That new Gunner smooth, cuz. That Gunner smooth, man. You put it in a little sport mode. Y'all boys a little small cut-up session. Damn, I forgot. Yes, I changed it to kilometers. All this is edited anyway, highly edited. So I just edited the video to show the numbers like this, so it's a little cooler. This dashboard, a fake dashboard. Just made the video more entertaining. Damn. That boy wanna pull on him. Sticker. I see a car up there. You know what I'm saying? You gotta slow your roll, man. Roll that window back up. Is that a dead pig? Boy, what the fuck? Boy, that's a big ass animal. Sorry. Cub, I'm trying to run on. So I didn't know he had somebody to play with, huh? Y'all see him? Cub must be mad. Cub, you mad, bro? My bad, bro. I didn't know you want me to ride with you, bro. My fault, bro. You is a dies, you know what I'm saying? My bad, bro. I didn't know you felt like that, bro. It's cool, bro. I didn't know you felt like that, cuz. This nigga right here, man. Dang, my bad. Cut up then. Go crazy. I'm on your lead. We both black on black, too. Come on. Yeah, we on that. We on that. We on that. Oh yeah, cuz on that. Let's go. Yeah. Ugly ass. That nigga ain't Ryan though. Oh. Trying to get him to play. He don't want to play, man. Damn. Pump faking. That's one thing y'all gotta start doing in the community. Is pump faking on the highway, bro. Niggas trying to have a little fun, bro. That's all good. Yeah, be quiet. Hush, girl. Hush. 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 Telling everybody oh, he back. Dang, I'm stuck in, hold on. I'm stuck in 8th gear. That's why I can't speed up. What's going on? What you want to do, cuz? That nigga lame. Put an L in the comment for her, man. L died around, man. You just speed up when I just hit a certain speed. That's crazy. I'm going too slow for you, boy, and I want to play with you. Now you like, nah, cuz. Chill out, cuz. Chill out. It ain't even like that. Crazy. Got him scared. He folding. Yeah, let me give y'all boys a couple of down shit. Icky licky for icky ickle. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Ooh, things are gonna get brighter. Oh, look at that. Damn. I just turned that flame tune back on.
Continue for 6 miles.
But I don't know if you're really doing anything. I die around. That bad, but you know better. Do better. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, boy, that little highway POVs ride, man. Nothing too crazy. I see what's going on. It's just like a little vlog, really, but a car vlog. You know what I'm saying? It's the same thing, me having the camera facing me, but it ain't. You know what I'm saying? Just everyday living. Right now, we're doing a little highway POV. I see what's going on. We ain't got no contestants. Damn. Well, I'm gonna head on to the ceiling. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got no contestants. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what's going. But it's cool though. Like I told you, I'm being consistent, man. Using my days wisely. You know what I'm saying? To get content for y'all boys, all kind of content. Just, you know what I'm saying? Seeing what my real car crew are, the ones that tap on every video, you feel me? The real deal Holyfield car crew. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate all car crew, because you ain't got to subscribe, but you did. But the ones, you know, that be tapping in consistently, you know, they rarely miss a video. And even if they do, they eventually go back and watch it. You know what I'm saying? Talking about them. Them boy, y'all the ones that gonna make car crew go up. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy keep doing what y'all doing, man. I appreciate it. Nothing goes unnoticed, bro. I'm very grateful for everything, you feel me? From smallest to biggest, you know what I'm saying? Every view, every like, every comment, bro. Every sub. I appreciate y'all, boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Keep subbing. We're gonna get it right, though, you know what I'm saying? Better video coming, you know what I'm saying? Niggas just grinding right now. Y'all boy gotta understand their real life. You know, that nigga gotta make money, you know what I'm saying? To spend money, to invest money, you feel me? You gotta make money to invest it, you feel me? Get on your side, semi. Trim. What's wrong with that boy? Damn! Now that was a loud one. I know when that be loud. That was a good one. See, I need that bit. I gotta figure out how to make it do that all the time now. No, I scared them boy. If he was sleepy, he up now. He probably wasn't expecting nothing like that. That was a big one. That was a good one. Ooh. He probably like, damn. What's wrong with that boy car right there? What's wrong with that boy car right there? Yeah, man.
In 2 miles, take the exit toward Bacon.
Yeah, man. Y'all boys, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Just stay tapped in with me, bro. I got some stuff coming, man. I really got some stuff cooking, car crew, all jokes aside. Real deal, I really do. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys gotta be patient. Just like I gotta be patient. You know what I'm saying? And we good. But it's gonna be a quick little video, man. Look, ain't nothing really going on. Ain't nobody on the highways y'all can see for real. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody to play with on the highway. So I'm gonna cut the video short, but I did want to give y'all a highway POV guy. Rarely, I haven't gave y'all a highway POV in a long time, like a real one. So we're gonna give y'all boy this one right here. But make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Like I said at the end of my video, for all my religious folk, man, keep God first. Keep him in the midst, man. Everything that you do. Know we ain't perfect, man, but you know what I'm saying? At least try. Keep trying and try and talk to him and let him know your heart, you know what I'm saying? Excuse me. You know what I'm saying? Just be real with yourself, you know what I'm saying? Be honest. But like I always say, man, in my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday.